In the harsh and majestic mountains of the Himalayas, a phantom roams. With eyes like emeralds and a coat as white as snow, here comes a nature-true beauty for you to behold. The snow leopard, a master of stealth and beauty, with his big, captivating eyes, thick, smoky gray fur with black spots and rosettes, helping them blend in with their mountainous surroundings. Their wide paws acting as snowshoes, enabling them to move silently and effortlessly through deep snow. The snow leopard can't actually roar, and they are closely related to the families of tiger than the leopard despite its name. Want more secrets to uncover about the snow leopard? Hit the subscribe button for more details.